Real estate agents, stop cold calling. I'm going to show you the top 3 filters in my real estate CRM that's generating leads and closings within 90 days from the time we start calling these particular leads. So let's jump right in. So here is the system. This is my Lofty. There's 88,159 leads in here, which is a great problem to have, which leads to call. I'm going to show you the top 3 filters that my team is closing deals with. So the first one we call the JAS money filter. This is a realtor I do business with who created this filter, and it seems to just have the highest value leads in the system. So the filter criteria is last website visited within the last 3 days. So they visited our website within the last 3 days. They viewed more than 2 properties, so 3+ properties. And their lead score is either 61 to 80 or 81 to 100. So between 61 and 100. And if we look at these leads, you can see lead score 95, 95, last visit, property alerts. You can see how many of the property alerts they're opening, 3 of 3, 3 of 5, 19 of 21, 16 of 19, 25 of 26. These are great leads to call. And out of those almost 90,000 leads, these are the top 237. So I highly recommend this filter. Do this one first. The next one is what we call active browsing. There's going to be probably double the amount in here. So instead of 237, we're going to see 496. So these 496 leads, the criteria is visited the website in the last 7 days, and they viewed more than 5 properties. So they're a bit more active as far as looking at more properties, but not necessarily as recent. But as you can see, lead score 95, registration day 2 days ago, 5 days ago, 13 days ago, 17 days ago, property alerts, viewing the different alerts. These are super high value leads. You can even see in the pipeline here, some of them are being shown. This one's a do not call, of course. New leads, new leads, new leads. You can see the team and the people in the system going through and adjusting the pipeline. So that is Lofty filter or whatever real estate CRM you're using. You can do filters like this. Number 2. So that's the second one. The next one is there was a Harvard study that actually figured out that if you call leads 6+ times in a certain time period, I like to think within 2 weeks to 30 days, you'll actually have a 90% contact rate. And then you can get a feel for if there's a potential deal there, and you can help them as a customer. So I like to look at all of the leads that have been called less than 6 times in the system from 30 days ago registration. So if I look in my system, leads that have been signed up in the last 30 days but have been called less than 6 times is 1,095. So those 3 filters, if you put time and effort into those 3 filters, you're going to have meaningful conversations with these potential customers. And a lot of them are going to turn into face-to-face meetings and deals. You just really have to do the work. I hope you found value in these plans. If you'd like some help generating more leads into your system, I've got a free Google Ads school that shows you how I did that. So if you just go to school.com/ads, it's a free community. Go ahead and sign up. And when you sign up, you can look through my most recent Lab Coat Agents interview with Tristan, who's the founder and CEO. Carl here had a deal in the first 30 days for $750K. There's a welcome post. There's a customer of mine named Ben in here talking about the good service that he's getting. Just look through this. And what you can do on your own is if you click Classroom, and then you click Welcome Package, there's a full 4.5-hour Google Ads Masterclass that I designed just for you to show you how I've generated almost 90,000 leads with Google Ads at a really, really low cost per lead. So feel free to grab the value there, comment below, and I will see all the rest of you in the next video.